So it's spring cleaning time. We're on the cusp of it, and
Wow.
we need to learn the difference between just regular cleaning and spring cleaning. You know, regular cleaning is just dusting, but spring cleaning means dusting the fans and vents and getting deep in there.
Yeah, and it's only, come on, it's spring. You can do it once a year, right? You can roll up the sleeves and do it. Okay, I know that you have an acronym to help us get through this. It's called PET method, the PET method.
PET.
Yeah.
Yes. PET. I'll start with the first one. It's meant for planning. So before you even pick up a broom or a brush or a mop, I want you to think about how you like to plan when you do your spring cleaning. Are you the type of person who likes to go top to bottom, attic to basement?
Okay.
You like to go from one end of the house to the other?
Sure.
Do you like to do it in a marathon setting all at once or in little spurts? Do you want a team? Do you want to do it alone? Lots of choices.
I'm doing it all at once by myself.
A lot to think about before you even start.
Yes.
And the E is eliminate.
We must.
So we must eliminate. By that you mean you need to get rid of things.
Exactly. When you have less clutter, there's less to clean, right?
Okay.
So let's start by eliminating. We're here in the laundry room. That's where we want to start.
Yeah.
Because it's the most ignored room in the whole house.
Clearly it is for us.
But it's overused. Everybody who walks by drops stuff. Look, there are things that do not belong here.
So true.
So let's get rid of them, put them in a basket. You can go run them back to your
lane. That is, they're going to be looking for it a little bit later. So just so you know,
put things back where they belong.
Yeah.
But then you can organize by using a simple Lazy Susan. Put it all on here to make it very neat.
You know, to be honest, I think most people's the top of their washer and dryer look like that. It's just a lot of cleaning things and random cords. And
Right. But somebody's got to run it and put it away. And let's do this once a year. You can use a Lazy Susan, a couple of different sizes, whatever works for you.
Okay, I'm going to continue the spelling here. It's P-E-T.
Yeah.
T is for
tackle.
Tackle.
Yes.
Tackling
and we can
what?
do it. Let me show you. I've got that's simple enough to do some tackling with, right?
Okay. Yep.
So here we have a little hook from the mugs in the kitchen.
Sure.
Take it, screw it into the wall. Let's put our socks on here so that they can be hanging near the washer and dryer for when we try to match them up. Hello.
How many times have I done that? My kids... I'm like,
I know.
And then the dog gets it. I'm like, where did you get that? How did you get that?
At all.
It's like date night, but for socks. Okay.
Nice. What about
The other tackling we want to do is teach the family how to communicate when it comes to stains. So I like using painter's tape, blue painter's tape. Family member has a stain on a shirt.
Yeah.
Okay. Put the blue tape here, and then it can go in the laundry. Then when I come along to do the laundry, I know how to pre-treat the stain.
Exactly.
I know where it is.
You know what?
Otherwise, they're going to set it, and then the shirt's going to be ruined.
I realized where my problem was. I'd always have my boys circle it with a Sharpie.
Oh, don't you?
I mean, Dorothy,
and
we all fall for it every time.
And I was like,
but you know, they do this. The dry cleaner does this. When you take something to the dry cleaner, you see they'll put where the stain is.
Oh, they would put the note on there going, we tried to get this
But we
out.
couldn't get it out because we didn't have Dorothy. If they had Dorothy, they'd have gotten it. All right, Dorothy, so it's fine and dandy, easy to say this, but how do we keep the house clean on a continuous basis? Because it's, yes, I can do it on Saturday, and by Monday, it's a disaster again.
It happens. But that we have to know our patterns for sure. But one surefire way to keep the clutter under control is to use the one in, one out method. That means if you're going to buy a new purse comes in, one purse needs to go out.
Did you hear that, Debbie?
Uh-oh.
You get a new purse. How about shoes?
Shoes, one
if you
pair
get a new
in.
pair of shoes, you have to get rid of a pair of shoes.
We can't do that.
He knows it. He's got it all figured it out. I don't know. Maybe we need a separate session to discuss.
No, I'm starting to feel
One
like
in,
I'm
one
on a
out.
purse.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
But not the stuff that's expensive. The very expensive things and shoes and
You want
bags.
to pick the best and keep the rest, but if you're bringing one in, somebody's got to get the boot.
Well, then what if you take your husband's things and take them out?
No, you can't exchange a pair of your shoes and
For
your
my
husband's
husband's shoes, that's what I'm going to do.
Oh,
then you're moving into his half of the closet.
See, she's changing the rules already.
Yeah,
Debbie.
that's the rules. By the way,
Kim told me it was okay to do.
I'm from one end of the house cleaning one day, and I do it by myself.
Yeah, me too.
I only do it once every 5 years, but I probably should pick up the
That's
pace.
not true.
I
This
do
house
it
is
inside,
spotless.
outside. There you go. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and you can visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com.